of the historical places or an ancestral house dito sa Molo. Just to give you an idea, the mansion was built in 1926 by the couple Doña Petra Luxin and Stanislao Yusay, a prominent lawyer and judge from Molo. They had 10 children together. In 1940, Stanislao died, and Rosario Yusay, one of the couple's 10 children, inherited the house. The Molo Mansion is one of the outstanding historical homes in the Philippines. Among its most notable features are its high ceilings, new classical balustrades, and decorative carving. It stands across the town plaza and St. Anne Parish Church in the Molo district. So look at guys, tignan nyo yung paligiran o nasa palibot o nasa gilid tayo ng bahay ng mansion na ito or nasa gilid tayo ng Molo Mansion. Tignan nyo, as you can see guys, doon guys sa taas, ayan. So, kitchen yan guys. Used to be their kitchen before. At lahat na katulong o driver dito dumadaan sa likod. Ayan yung hagdan. Nakita yun naman guys kung kaano kataas yung hagdan. Ayan guys, yan. Diyan sila dumadaan yung mga katulong at saka helper. Kasi bawal sila dito dumaan noong unang panahon sa harapan ng bahay. Yung mga may-ari lang ng bahay yung may karapatan na dumaan dito sa harapan. So, this was owned before by the Yusay or Yusay Consing family. So, when Nini Consing Yusay died, the family sold this mansion. And recently, this was managed by SM City of Iloilo, and now they are selling some native products just like the barong, barong Tagalog, and then some of the jewelries just like pearls. Ayan guys, so nagbibinta sila dito ng pearl necklace. Ayan, so if you want to go here and buy some souvenirs or a gift items, you can go here at Molo Mansion. So they are selling the souvenir items, or if you want to go to Boracay, you can drop Molo Mansion, you can buy something else. Ito yung barong Tagalog guys, look. Ayan. So baka meron kayong puntahan na occasion or something na kailangan ka magsuot ng barong, ayan, baka mabili ka dito. And so they have some jewelries, necklace, earrings, and also some fan. Ayan, meron din sila mga bracelet, mga abubot. Ayan, native products just like bags, wallets, and Spanish meron silang Spanish fan. So, affordable price lang yan, guys. So, they have native products din na binibenta. So, ayan, guys. As you can see, meron din. Nakalimutan ko, guys. Laro ko to nung maliit ako. Ayan. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, guys. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan nito. And they have souvenirs items just like t-shirt na may pangalan na Iloilo. Ayan. And also native slippers. Ayan. Sandals. Native sandals. Ayan. So, ayan. Affordable price lang yan, guys. So, as what I've said, if you like some souvenirs items na galing Iloilo, you can buy it here sa Molo Mansion. Ayan, meron silang mga shawl, hats, native hats. Ayan, sari-saring shawl na binibinta nila. Ayan, yung hats na binibinta nila. And they have also a bags, so made of art crafts. Ayan, paint. It's just the a multicolor paints. Ganda tingnan, guys. Ayan, yung mga native bags nila. Sari-saring native bag yung binibinta dito. Look, it's so very nice. And also they have mugs. Recycled. Ayan. They have something here na naka-attract sa akin, guys. Akala ko water. Ayan, yun pala. It's just like pwede mo ano yan, pag nagbaon ka or nag-mountain climbing ka. So, ayan guys, merong lalagyan ng utensils, chopstick, fork, spoon. Merong straw ata. Ayan guys, ayan, lagay mo sa knapsack mo. So, ayan, ganda tingnan. So, ayan, green go. And then, meron din silang mga, syempre, yung pambansang jeepney ng Pinas. O gusto mo rin lambanog, lalagyan ng lambanog, meron din ito. Ito yung pambansang jeep ng Pilipinas. Ayan, meron silang tinitinda. Parang laruan. Pero yung iba, guys, binibili niya para souvenir. Ayan, so mayroong mga souvenirs items galing Pilipinas. Siyempre, yung mga balikbayan, pupunta dito para lang bumili ng mga souvenir items dito sa Pinas, yung mga gawang native products. And they are selling mugs also. If you have may mga party, pwede yung siyang i-give away. Ayan, yung mga mugs nila. So nice talaga. Mga native, gawa sa native. Before I went here, meron silang tinitinda na nilagyan ng toilet ng tissue. It made of shell. Pero ngayon wala na sila. Ubos na yung stock nila. Yung tissue holder na made of shell. So, ayan, yung souvenirs items nila, guys. Ayan. Mga designs. At ito talaga, guys, namangha talaga ako dito sa mga pearls. Ayan, necklace, earrings, bracelet, nagawa sa pearl. Ayan. So, guys, what are you waiting for? Come on. Try to visit Molo Mansion here in Iloilo. And, ayan, look at their necklaces and pearls that they are selling with. And, thank you. And have a great day. Hanggang sa muli.